This show explores podcast-based content marketing strategies and stories for organizations and entrepreneurs. Hi, my name is Jürgen. I'm founder of the Polymash Digital Strategy Agency. And really, the origin of our agency was the fact that none of our clients like to create and write their own content. Does that sound familiar? But they all love talking with others about their area of passion and expertise. And so we helped them launch podcasts. The funny thing was that initially we thought podcasting would be an easy fix. And of course, it's not. We were wrong. Podcasting, as many of you will know, can be a lot of work. But the point is that it is worth it. Over the years, we've honed in on strategies that maximize podcasting as a multi-channel content strategy. Season 1 is a short series of 4 to 5 episodes that will explain how we at Polymash use the concept of content syndication for our client podcasts. Content syndication is basically about repurposing content across many channels and distributing that content as widely as possible. And then season 2 will launch with some guests and stories of how other entrepreneurs are using podcasting as a content strategy for their own business and personal growth. By way of quick background, we at Polymash have now launched dozens of podcasts, produced over 3,000 episodes, and been successfully doing this since about 2014. Our clients range all the way from the United Nations and Pfizer to smaller nonprofits, businesses, and entrepreneurs. So I hope you're curious to learn more as well as hear from our guests. And you can follow us and subscribe at podcastingstrategy.com. See you inside.